How to fix solo leveling arise keeps crashing problem. So if you want to fix your solo leveling arise keeps crashing problem, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open up your Play Store. From your Play Store, you need to go with search and search for solo leveling arise. Now once you have the application or the game, you need to just simply go with update if you have any updates. And after updating, the problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then you need to go back and then open up your settings. Now from settings, you need to scroll down a bit and then you'll find an option of apps. Tap on apps and then go with manage apps. Once you tap on manage apps, you need to go with search and then search for solo leveling arise. After that, tap on the application or tap on the game. And you need to go with clear data, which will be on the bottom right, and then go with clear cache. After clearing your cache, just simply go and restart your device, and that's it. That's how you can fix your problem with solo leveling arise keeps crashing. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.